Hi everyone, it's Yana. In this video, I'm going to show you how I transformed these nails. At this moment, I diagnose the hands, nails and cuticle. As you can see, the cuticle is flourish overgrown, which means we have to be very careful, as the most probably blood vessels grew in the keratenized skin cuticle. I will start with pushing the cuticles back. This step is very important. The total result will depend on just how well we do this step. Then I arrange the free edge. Using manual file, I shape the nails and make them all 10 even. Next step, matting the nail plate. Here I will perform combined manicure, e-file+scissors. So I will begin with removing of the thin cuticle layer from the nail with an e-file. This video is speed up, so my movements seem to be harsh. In reality, I work with an e-file very gently, almost no touching nail plate. Then I applied cuticle softener and now I'm going to trim off the cuticle using scissors. Unlike acrylic system, gel doesn't forgive any dust left over, so we've got to make sure we clean all of the dust completely if we don't want to find the liftings next time. Always apply dehydrator and acid-free primer. I'm applying base coat with a thin layer and without curing, I set a larger drop and distribute it all over the nail, making sure the lamp reflects perfectly smooth. I'm doing it this way because it allows clients have their gel polished nails last longer, 3-4 weeks without chipping. Plus, nails look much prettier. By the way, deep gel polish application with no leaks is impossible without clean manicure. I repeat the alignment done before with base coat, but now with top coat. Here is the result. What do you guys think of it? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Did you learn anything new? Let me know in the comment section and also with your likes. And see you on the next one.